Guys, can you hear me? Put your hands up if you can hear me. All right. What was the question, Louis? Because I wanted to understand what you meant. You mean this line? That red line going around the 1 hour, right? Is that what you mean? That is called the SSL hybrid. Is this one SSL hybrid? It's a really nice moving average, and it tells you if the price is currently on a downtrend, as you can see here. And the blue line is indicating that it's on an uptrend. But there's another indicator there that, let me change it to half an hour so you can see, just like this graph, but with this indicators, so you can see. It has really good features. For example, look. This with the green and red is another indicator, which is this one. It's the kernel. It's called, I believe, the kernel channel something. But this channel, is a volatility indicator. As you can see, it has green or bullish volatility and bearish volatility. Here is indicating that the volatility is going bullish. You see, and the MA, the moving average, is turning blue, and we got the buy signal. It's giving me a good indication that we can go long in the half an hour chart. So let's see when it started. It started on this candle. We could have grabbed we could put the entry here on this candle. We can try going long. You know, I never like to enter a trade when the trade already started, or when the trend is already started. I like to grab it at the beginning to avoid. But this feature that, look, this bearish momentum and volatility. So as soon as it changes to the color, it starts going down. And in here we have bullish momentum. Another thing that I noticed, you see that it has a blue line and it has a green line, and here it has a red line. The blue line is the range, when the price is in a range. Notice that there is on a range. He breaks the two bands, the upper band, and then it goes into green, and then that means that it's going up. So it's really nice. So as soon as it turns green here it turns blue, it goes up. So you also use your stochastic. It's good to use the stochastic to make sure that it's also at the bottom, at the oversold area, and we can be more confident. That's why, let me go to the beginning. Here, since we're on a downtrend, I believe that it still hasn't breaking the downtrend, that temporary downtrend. Let's draw a line and see. So you can see it's still fighting here, like Mungo said before, sitting at the spot. We gotta sell. Here we gotta buy, sell, buy. So the most logical thing is to wait for another sell, right? Sell, buy, and sell. So the most that I can expect is a sell coming. After the red line comes again, we should see something coming in. And look, the candles are forming very small dojis, so it's losing. So let's see. Let's wait. In the meantime, we can do some forex trading. We have a challenge. We can do 20 pips a day, and little by little we can, like we did on February, we had like 240 pips, so we can gather some good pips for the month. I'll be back. Let me drink some water. You're drinking coffee and I'm drinking water. I should put some coffee in my own. Oh, here, right? Yeah, it does have an ATR. So you go into the settings, it does have an ATR. Look, ATR period 14. The base length I put it at 500 because if you zoom in or zoom out, you can. If we do some swing trading, we can do some really good pips. I don't know if you guys are willing to do swing trading, and we can monitor it during the, Oh, I forgot to bring the music. Forgot to put the music down. I was saying that the settings here, I change it to 500. Let me go back and show you. Look, we have an ATR. That's what you were mentioning. And it has an ATR, and the baseline, I put it at 500 because it is good. It's set up for scalping. So if you guys are willing to do not scalping for swing trading, if you guys are willing to do some swing trading, we can do it, and we can pick up some good pips during the month. Swing trading, if you can see, look, let me do a little calculation. From here, from the beginning of the red band to the end, is just 72 bars, and that's 3 days. Let's see. That the third day. When I click on the band, on style, yeah, let's see. It has the ATRs right here. But I believe the ATR band is those two lines. And the one in the middle is the moving average. Look, guys, the green momentum line is just starting, so it may be that the price may continue going up at least into this area, so we can enter a trade. But like I told you, I don't really like entering the trade if it's already started. Let's see what you're talking about. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to wait, Mongo, to wait for for the pullback, because like I mentioned before, you already had a sell, there's a buy, so the most logical thing is waiting for another sell. Usually in the morning, if the price is going up, during the half of the day it will go back down. So and it also does the reverse. In the morning, if it's going down, half a day it goes up. So the most logical thing is to wait, right? We don't really want to do some crazy stuff. So Louis, I changed the color and I'm not seeing it. I know it's there, but let me see. I changed both of them to black. All right. I'm not going to enter. I'm going to wait. It looks tempting, right? It's going up, like I got my finger on the trigger, but I'm not going to do anything. I click on change. I click to change it, but I'm not seeing anything. That's weird. Let's try one more time. Oh wait, let me see. Would it be this? This. No, I'm not seeing it. Let me remove it and put it back and see. It looks like a Christmas thing with all these white little spots and all these colors. Okay, let me remove the blue color. Nice. If you guys want me to put in any indicators that you feel comfortable so we can all trade it, just let me know. You know, we're going to make the best system and make sure that many people can follow it. So these two indicators that I have, well, this couple of indicators that I have, they have worked for me, but we can manage and make the changes, so that we can get way better results. That's one thing I don't mess with. Oh, wait, let me see if I can change the color to black. I see one. I found it. Let's put the other one in black. I see it. I see the two lines. All right. So it is good to have two systems on the screen because that way you get extra confirmation before you make your entry, you know. Look, Louis, it is really nice to have the ATR bands. It's more like a channel. And the Bollinger Band, right? You mean this line here, the pivot point, or because this is a resistance, and this is a support line. I believe it's a 4-hour resistance, and this is a 4-hour support line. I took it from the 4 hours. Let's go into the 4 hours. So you can see support, the resistance and the support. So price is heading to the support. I mean to resistance in the 4 hours. I always like to draw the support and resistance from the 4-hour chart to get the key points. It looked like a mess now. But from what you can see, the 4-hour you mean when it touches the upper band or this line right here? Yes, that's what I was saying, that it is going really strong to the upside. Let's go back to the 1 hour. I just don't like to enter a trade once the trail is going, because you don't know if the price may reverse, and trust me, it has happened a lot to me in KOP. But if you can see on the 1 hour, Louis, the price is already above the upper band, so it's way overbought. So it means that at some point, oh, I see that the band is still there, but it's way above the band. So basically, look, it doesn't even have the green momentum line yet. The buy signal is here, so it's basically just like starting, even though as you can see on this graph, the buy signal is more accurate. Oh, let me see, I gotta change it. That's why. I'm going to put it just like the other one. This setting is 75% more accurate. It removes the signal. Look, you see how it moves? even though this is half an hour and this is 1 hour, but by changing the settings, it makes it more accurate. So it moved from this candle to this one right here. Even though we would like to enter here, but that's why we have the half an hour, so that we can make our entries earlier. Now guys, as you can see, yes, the price is way above the band. I would suggest to, on the 1 hour, either the price is going to touch this area. As you can see, there's a little resistance here, so it may get up to here. And the candles is going really, they're getting longer. So that means that they're getting more bullish power. And as you can see, the band, the blue band, is just turning to the upside. So it may get up to here and then come back down. Now by looking at this graph on this side, let's extend it. This is a really long line. As you can see, there's the red one and then the green here. So we should be expecting a red line soon, anytime soon. So the price may get up to this area and bounce back. Let's see on price action what the size of the candle is going to do, if it's going to get smaller or, but to me the correct entry signal is when the sell signal starts, and we can catch it earlier on the half an hour. To me, the main indicator that I use for my entry is the MACD, you know, and I use this as confirmation and everything else, because the main thing is the exit, when to get out of the trade. That's a trick. So what you guys think? We cannot really enter the trade here because, you know, price is already extended, like going up really. We don't really know what is going to happen in this area, unless we see the candles getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And we can see that on the half an hour. What happens here? Look, there's a pivot point right here. So price may get to this area and bounce back. In the meantime, we can look at the GBP and see what's happening over there. An eye on the S&P, okay? I'm going to be in GBP. See what's happening. Put some coffee now that you're mentioning it, so I can get all nervous and excited and crazy. Wow, look guys, this is a really good up move. This is the British pound and the Japanese yen. Buy signal already happened on the 1 hour, and it looks like there's a little double top here forming. It looks like a double top forming right here. I gotta close this. Oh, I don't know if you have drink the Bustelo coffee. They sell it over there. But there's some other coffees that I like too. That they're from here. They're really good. Guys, we have to catch a move. We have to find a good move that we can enter. You know? Those moves that already are happening. We cannot really go in because you don't really know what to expect. You know, let's say I put a long tray right here. Okay, it may hit the price right here, but as you can see, it's kind of ranging. If you look at it, so on this uptrend, so it's good to enter trades when they're like, you know, beginning, when they're starting, and we can catch that good move. So let's look for another one, right? What about the Euro CAD? Euro Canadian. Let's see. Yeah, Bustelo is good. Right here. I'm going to put some right now. Look, guys, it looks like a potential trade right here. No. What do you think? Euro CAD. Oh, look at this. This is the Euro CAD, and it's just starting a downtrend. Look at the swing. Made a good downswing, and then it turned up, and now it's making a turn. Has the potential for a down move. Let's extend it. Hey Mongo, what do you think? The only thing that I see here is that on the half an hour, price is getting smaller, and it's still on that 1 hour moving average. So but this is the half an hour and this is the 1 hour. So as you can see, the 1 hour is like just starting the downtrend. You guys think we can catch the 20 pips here? We need confirmation. Look at the candles, it's getting smaller. I want to enter a trade so that I can just go and put my coffee. As you can see, guys, I have a list here so that we can put the trades that we got, the winning ones and the losing ones. This is the backup trades. Yeah, it's 8:50 over there. It's going to be 12 o'clock here. I'm almost going to lunch and I haven't put a trade in. That's crazy. But look, guys, I like to put also trade in when the MACD makes its cross on the target candle. That has a really good, it has a 62% accuracy. So I like to enter on, but it's also good to enter when you're on the same trend direction, you know. For example, here, this is the uptrend. So you enter the buy and you confirm it, and then you make a good 20 pips. In Forex, I have this this website that I like to follow a lot, and it helps me identify the strong trends. For example, let's see. For a fact, the US JPY is always the strongest trend ever. And the reason is that it's one of the most stable pairs to trade. You just have to catch it when it's starting a trend, you know. But look, CAD JPY is really strong. The USD, Swiss, Euro JPY, NCD, Swiss, GBP JPY. They're all doing a strong uptrend. Everything is trending up right now. The Canadian, the Euro Canada, let's see, is where? Euro CAD, it's right here. Look, as you can see, it's not really strong right now. So what is basically what I like about not being so strong is that you can catch it early. You know, whatever trend starts forming, you can catch it early, because this strong trends, they're already formed and they can end up at any time. But this ones right here, the bottom ones, you can start writing them soon. I mean early. So the Euro CAD starting to do an uptrend, but it's weak. But as you can see, it's starting on the 1 hour to do a down swing. And if we zoom it in, zoom out, we can see that, look at the beautiful move that the Euro CAD has been doing. That's a lot of good pips. Really good up move, really good down move, and then another up move, and we can see a down move coming. But if you can see, this is a lower low and then a lower high. So we can see that this low is probably not going so low. It can probably go higher than this low right here. So if we draw the trend line, we can say that the price may go down here. Let's enter a trade. Look, the price is already moving. I'm going to enter a trade at least until somewhere around here. It will be good to finish the 5 minutes. Once the candle ends, I'm going to put a trade. I'm only looking for 20 pips in Forex and 10 pips in the S&P. So what do you guys think about the Euro CAD? I want to hear your opinion. Or I want to read your opinion. You see why waiting for the candle to end is good? Because let's say you enter here and it pulls all the way back. You know, you can get killed. But from the looks of it, it looks like it's going to make, you know, its turn, and we should expect it somewhere around here. Hey guys, what do you think? We have two potential entries. One is on the EuroCAD, and something is happening in the S&P, but we're just waiting a little more on the S&P, right? But the EuroCAD looks like it could potentially go down here to this area from the looks of it. I can put a little trade here, a pending order in this area. As a matter of fact, let me do that. Right on the ATR band, right, Lewis? And stop loss is really long. What happened, guys? You guys are quiet. All right, no problem, Lewis. Yes, I'm almost done. As soon as I get my 20 pips, I'm out too. So just waiting for either the S&P or the EuroCAD. But yes, if you have been up since late, it's really recommended for you to go. All right, Diggory. See you tomorrow. See you guys. I'm going to end the stream then so that I can go ahead and put my coffee then and then go to lunch. See you guys. See you Wednesday.